Hey everyone, it's Jimmy here. Today we're diving into the world of cheesy goodness with 5 amazing meals you can make using ground beef. Trust me, you're gonna love these recipes. They're easy to make, budget-friendly, and perfect for any night of the week. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious content. First up, we're setting sail for Flavortown with these epic zucchini boats. Grab your zucchinis and slice them right down the middle, long ways. Scoop out the insides, leaving a nice little well for our cheesy filling. Brown up some ground beef in a pan. You want it nice and crispy. Mix in your favorite marinara sauce and a mountain of shredded mozzarella cheese. Spoon that glorious mixture into your zucchini boats, packing it in nice and tight. Pop those bad boys in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius, for about 20 minutes, or until the zucchini is tender and the cheese is a bubbling golden masterpiece. Get ready for a fiesta in your mouth with this enchilada bake. Brown up some ground beef, the star of our cheesy show. Grab your favorite enchilada sauce and shredded cheddar cheese. Now let's build ourselves a cheesy masterpiece. Tortillas on the bottom, then a generous helping of that seasoned ground beef. Smother it with enchilada sauce and sprinkle on a snowstorm of cheddar cheese. Repeat those layers until your dish is overflowing with cheesy goodness. Pop that baby in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, for about 25 minutes or until it's bubbling hot and the cheese is a beautiful golden brown. Get ready to warm your soul with these epic chili bowls. Brown up some ground beef with diced onions and minced garlic. Add kidney beans, diced tomatoes, and a whole lot of chili powder. Let that simmer for about 30 minutes. While that's working its magic, grab your shredded cheese of choice cheddar, Monterey Jack, pepper jack. Once that chili is ready, ladle it up into bowls and top it with a generous sprinkle of that glorious cheese blend. You can even add some sour cream, avocado, or jalapenos for an extra kick. This chili is all about customization, so go wild. Get ready for the ultimate comfort food mashup, cheeseburger casserole. Brown up some ground beef. We want it nice and crumbly. Cook up some macaroni according to package directions. Now let's talk cheese sauce. Mix that cooked ground beef, macaroni, and cheese sauce in a large bowl. Pour that glorious mixture into a baking dish and top it with even more cheese. Pop that baby in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius, for about 30 minutes or until the top is golden brown and bubbly. Get ready for some flavor bombs with these beef and cheese stuffed peppers. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius, and grab those bell peppers. Cut them in half lengthwise and scoop out the seeds and membranes. Brown up some ground beef in a pan. Cook up some rice according to package directions. Add your favorite tomato sauce to the beef along with some cooked rice. Spoon that glorious mixture into your pepper halves, packing it in nice and tight. Sprinkle a generous amount of shredded cheese on top. Pop those bad boys in a preheated oven for about 35 minutes or until the peppers are tender and the cheese is melted and bubbly. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed these cheesy ground beef recipes. Whether you're craving comfort food, a quick weeknight dinner, or a fun meal to impress your friends, these recipes have got you covered. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to my channel for more tasty recipes. Let me know in the comments below which cheesy ground beef recipe you're most excited to try. Until next time, happy cooking!